Okay, we are here at the car test for I-Gemm 2. First of all, let's try it to fix with a safety belt, because in a complex it comes only the chair without option to attach it to the ISOFIX. So there is everything you need to know. So at first you do like this. It attaches like this. You click it in the place, and then this one goes around like this. And this is how it fixes here with the safety belt. Continue watching and see how does it work with the I-base Encore base station for the child chair for the car. Okay, let's continue with real life test on the I-base Encore and Joie I-Gemm 2 baby chair attaching to car ISOFIX. So yesterday I had a question about these plastics, and it's clear that they're for ISOFIX. So at first we attach them to the place in the way like this, and then the chair will go, the base will go in there more easily. Okay, let's continue to adding the base to the ISOFIX. At first of all, I would like to mention that these plastics are not fitting to these chairs because of some metal here which do not allow to add one of these, but this is not obligated. This is just like a tunnel for more easy fixing the base. So let's continue without them. So here are fixators for the base, and there is the indicator. If it's green, it's not fixed good, but when it turns out green, it will be fixed correctly. And for more easy fixing and regulation of the base, here is the button. Yesterday I mentioned it wrong, but it's for moving these legs. So we moved them out to add the base to the ISOFIX, and with one click it is ready. You see it is green and attached correctly. So I move like this, and so next one is regulation of the leg, and you can see that leg indicator is green, and rotation indicator is also green, but to add the chair we need to move, and if we move it out of the spot it turns out red, and when this will be like this and the chair will be in the place, so all indicators will be green. So this is all the information about the base. You can turn it either on one side or the other side, and the chair is only possible to add with the face on that side. Okay, let's continue with attaching the chair to the base. Okay, look how easy the baby is going in the car. Click and it is in the spot. You see there are two green ticks, and now we are turning, click, and all three ticks are green and everything is added correctly. So when moving, or if you want to do something with the child, you can turn it either on one side or on another side, and you can adjust the safety belt. And when you want to take the chair off, there is one button or other button, so you just press it and the chair is off. It comes out very easily, and as easy it comes back. So everything is ready for transportation. Thank you for watching. This was all information about Joie I-Gemm 2 child chair for car and I-base Encore for the chair. Thank you, goodbye.